Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix "There are no running apps task manager." To start, access the task manager. You can see the error "There are no running apps." To fix it, simply click on More Details. Now you will have access to all the Task Manager tabs with their visible processes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.